Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in into your Binance account using a QR code. To log in to your Binance account using QR code, follow these steps. Open Binance application on your mobile device and log in using your account. After that, open up your preferred web browser and head over to binance.com. Now click on Login button. After that, you will see a small QR code button here. Click on it. Now, scan the QR code using your phone's camera and you will get a link there. After that, you will find a confirm login button. Click on it. You can also select to stay logged in into the device. Click on yes to stay signed in for 5 days. The QR code generated for login is temporary and will expire after a short time, so ensure you scan it quickly. Make sure you are scanning the QR code only from the official Binance website to avoid phishing scams. So that is how you can log in into your Binance account using QR code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.